Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Leon from Harare, Zimbabwe. I'm here to present another testimony with the Triple Global. I'm an ordinary member who stays in Harare. I've been doing this for a couple of times, and I'm happy. I'm secure with this system. It's not a Ponzi scheme. I'm here to support with my evidential testimony, and then it goes on the 19th of April. I provided help of $150, and then on the 13th of May 2016, I requested to get help of $200, and I got all the donations within my account by 48 hours. Can you imagine, guys? This system is so reliable. Oh my gosh, I can help it. I'm even ululating like always. This system has really set me free. I'm all jumping. It's really all smiles all over my face. Every time I shoot a video, I'm smiling. I can't help it. So to you guys, my Triple M participants, and those who would like to come and join, I give you my word, guys. There is no magic money. There is no singing. This thing is real. Like Sergey just thought of us from being a billionaire. He couldn't even have abandoned us and enjoyed his monies, but he couldn't do that. Take your time and read that ideology, watch over the videos, and then it take to your senses. You will be really touched. I mean touched. So guys, take your time for real. Together we can change the world. Our communities will be better place to live in if we take it heart that we need free world financial system. Bless my Frody. Together we can change the whole world.